All right, let's get the testing underway. We have this thermal tape in here, peel and stick. I've been working with it and just having actually a lot of fun with it. See, come on, focus here. I did a couple of tests with it, the stickiness of it. Well, you're going to see the test yourself. I'm going to find an area of this board that is clean. I'm going to stick it to it. There we go, got a fresh piece in here. Now this tape is it's really cool. It is a heat resistant tape, and it's really good for masking electronic parts. Like if you wanted to solder the center component in here, I masked off this side and that side is not to create a solder bridge. This is just one of the uses for it. Focus please, thank you. So after that's soldered in there, the tape is rated for 260 degrees Celsius. There is 33 meters of it. I have a soldering iron in here. We're going to do a couple of tests. We're going to do a puncture test. Just put the soldering iron straight on that. And then we're going to do a test in here. Let's see this solder, how this solder behaves. So this is at 300 degrees. I'm going to show you that this actually is hot. Hold on here, it's on. It's rated for 260 degrees. I actually have it right now at 300, so going a little bit, living dangerous. So here's this in here. Applying the soldering iron directly on it. Look at that. I'm not sure if you just saw that, but that whole solder. Do it again. You can see the soldering iron there. I'm putting it right next to it. Look at that. So the solder that was right next to it is now in the soldering iron. It's no fun until we go to the point of failure with it, so let's wow. Well, point of failure is point of failure. Let's go. It's sticking right on there. Completely protected underneath. Wow, I'm impressed. That's pretty cool. Alright, that's there. Is it real solder? As you can see, that little piece that was sticking out is now gone. So yeah. What else can I show? Oh, yeah. There's a little smoke. I think it's from the solder that I have on the actual tip. It releases clean and free. Still has its sticky residue. How about a puncture test? That tip is right on there. Yeah, there's a little impression, but it did not poke a hole through it. 300 degrees. It's rated for 260 for short periods, bursts. But even at that, again, here it is. We put the soldering iron down. Here's the thermal tape. Good for all these great uses. Hope you enjoyed the video.